Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard badam milk, full guide. Begin by soaking and blanching almonds, then grind into a smooth paste with a little milk. Heat full-fat milk gently, whisk in custard powder slurry to avoid lumps, and add almond paste and sugar. Simmer for 5 to 8 minutes until slightly thickened, then cool or chill. Garnish with sliced almonds and a pinch of cardamom for fragrant balance. Start by gathering ingredients and prepping almonds for the custard badam milk. Peel soaked almonds and grind them with a small amount of milk into a fine paste. Measure custard powder and dissolve it in cold milk to make a lump-free slurry before adding to heat. Keep sugar handy and taste as you go so sweetness matches your preference. And remember, cardamom and saffron add authentic aroma and color. When cooking custard badam milk, patience is key for a silky texture and no lumps. Whisk constantly after adding the custard slurry to hot milk and keep heat at medium-low to avoid scorching. Add almond paste once the mixture begins to thicken, then simmer briefly to meld flavors. Adjust sweetness at the end and let it rest so the flavors integrate before serving warm or chilled with your favorite garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.